Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make an AI video, and we will use this style of the Seedance 1.0. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the platform that we would like to create the video is the runcomfy.com over here. And don't worry, because this platform also can be accessed into your laptop, smartphone, or the tab. And after that, in the Google Chrome over here, I put the keyword run comfy Seedance AI, and this is the result. And after that, you can go to the Seedance 1.0 Pro here, and after that it will direct you into this field, and then you can start to create the video from the prompt or text and also the image. And for example, I would like to create the video from the text, and I have prepared the prompt over here. And you can also setting the resolution. For example, I put it into 480 pixels, and the aspect ratio is 9:16, and the duration is 5 seconds. And after that, I will start to generate it, and you can start to complete the verification over here and just follow the process. Just click yes, I'm human, and kindly wait until this AI will generate the video. So if you have any another alternative that of the platform help that will help you to create the video or generate the video in the different style, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, and we would love to see your comments there and create the video of it. Kindly wait, guys. And finally our video is ready, and let's see the result here. Just click it. So the video is ready, guys. Then you can start to download it by click this button, or you can also do the several action like giving the like or copy the link. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Run Comfy and also this Seedance AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.